Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. This is an oil diffuser by ANTAL HAYAT, and it is waterless, and it is wonderful. It is super cool, and it takes no work. You don't have to constantly be refilling it. You set it and go. You can even set it on a timer, so I have it give an extra fresh boost right before I wake up, so when I walk in the living room, it smells amazing. It comes with this really nice container that is huge, and you fill it with essential oils. They do have their own that you can order as well, and I've tried a few, and they all smell so nice and luxurious. It comes with a remote you can control it with. It also is controlled by an app, which is always my favorite because then I don't have to worry about finding the remote. And you set it and go. So you can have it go super strong all the time. It can set for so many hours. It really is super versatile, which will affect how fast you go through the oil. But I have had this for about 3 weeks, and I have used it a lot, and you can see how much oil is gone. So this will definitely last me a long time. So it's nice you can use the oils they offer, but if you have your favorites, they do send it with an empty one, so you can fill it with whatever oils you prefer. Another nice thing is you can leave this plugged in and it will always have battery, obviously, or it charges. I've tried other diffusers and they're just too much work. I was always having to fill them up. And with this one, I don't have to do that. It just smells fresh all the time. You need one of these. Who doesn't need a house that smells better? But that's just my point of view.